Good morning, dear students. I am Dildora Egamberdiyeva. I want to share with you our next lesson. Today our lesson is about the types of questions. How many types of questions in English? In English language, there are several types of questions. Among them are general, special, alternative, and disjunctive questions. Let's learn how they're formed. General question. General question is a type of question sentence that requires a short answer. Common questions can be answered with a simple yes or no, or logically called yes-no questions. As a rule, this kind of questions relates to the whole sentence and not to a separate element of it. As you can see, here the questions, general questions. And do you like this country? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. To ask such general questions, to appropriate rising intonation should be used at the end of the sentence. The answer can be brief, yes or no, or a longer answer or given, yes I do, no I don't like this country. The response to a question depends on the verb used. If the question begins with the form of the verb to be, and then answered yes I am, yes he is, yes she is, yes they are, and etc. Or no I'm not, no he is not, and no she's not, etc. For example, is she a pupil? Yes she is. No, she is not. This is a short answer. This is a long answer. No, she is not. This is a short answer. No, she isn't. Are you from America? Yes, I'm. No, or no, I'm not. It's similar to auxiliary verb do, does, did, and will, have, has, can, was. For example, did she clean the room? Yes, she did. No, she didn't. Has he a pen? Yes, he has. No, he has not. Special questions. Special questions, or also we called which questions. These questions begin the following questions: words, who, what, which, where, when, why, how many, how much, and how long. For example, where are you from? I'm from America. How old are you? I'm 12. When did you come here? Who will buy milk? Whose children are playing in the yard? Note the questions about the subject, who, what, have their own special structure. They don't require an auxiliary verb. We replace the subject with a question word. We go to the cinema, for example, and answer, who goes to cinema? The pen is on the table. And the question, what is on the table? The book is subject. And the question, what is interesting? This is the subject. This is the subject. Next question, alternative question. Alternative questions are choice of general options as an answer. Also, we called choice question. They are made up of two parts, which are connected by the conjunction or. Choice question can be, or alternative question can be either general or specific. If the question doesn't center on the subject of the sentence, a complete answer is used. For example, does she like ice cream or sweets? And the answer, she likes ice cream. Is he a teacher or a student? He is a student. Is it a book or a copybook? It's a book. So we can also ask alternative questions using or not. This is a very direct question, and sometimes it can be expressed a nuance or impatience. Do you want to go to the cinema or not? Will you go to home tomorrow or not. The last question, disjunctive question. Disjunctive question requires the answer yes or no and consists of two parts. An affirmative statement followed by a negation question, or a negation statement followed by an affirmative question. Also, we call it disjunctive question tag questions. So the first part is spoken with a falling intonation. The second part with a rising. Second part is with a rising intonation. If the first part is affirmative, there is a negation in the second part. But if the first part is a negation, there is a positive question in the second part. Here the questions using them, disjunctive question, and the first, you can swim. Can't you? I had a book, hadn't I? As you can see, the first part is affirmative, the second part is negation. Here is two affirmative question, first part, the second part is negation. I didn't have a breakfast, did I? I'm not a doctor, am I? We didn't go to university, did I? Here the first part is negation, the second part is a positive question. Also, here the questions, the first part is negation and second part is positive question. So our lesson is over. Goodbye, take care and be healthy.